The third edition of the World Food India 2024 program is going to be held between the 19th till the 22nd of September. This will be an event which will witness participation from multiple countries and states. The four-day event aims to garner investment and showcase India as the food bowl of the world. Ahead of the event, DD India's correspondent Dipendu Mondal spoke to Chirag Paswan, Union Minister for Food Processing and Industries, on the expectations and the objective of this year's World Food India. Take a listen.
As we near the World Food India 2024, I'm joined by Chirag Paswan, who's also the Minister for Food Processing and Industries. This is your first time as a minister in the Modi 3.0 government, but your father has been a minister in the same ministry. So I'm sure you are much aware of the workings of this ministry. Firstly, let me ask you, what is expected out of the World Food India 2024? I have had the opportunity to visit the World Food India last year. What all is expected out of this edition of the World Food India 2024?
Well, I think World Food India provides a platform for all the new innovations, all the new technologies, everything that's related to food processing, to come under one roof and to exhibit, their innovation, their ideas. And also it gives an opportunity for everybody to collab with each other. Not only nationwide, but also internationally. There are many countries participating in it. There are many ministries participating in it. And needless to say, a lot of states of our country, also come together on the same platform, with their ideas, with their innovation, with their technology.
Right.
And I think that gives everybody a nice opportunity to collaborate with each other and, to take their ideas back home.
Right. What are the countries that you're looking at that is expected to come this time around and join? Any states that are specifically participating? What are the focus areas of this year's World Food India?
Well, yes, many states have already confirmed. Many countries have already confirmed. We have partner ministries also in this, partner states also in this. So yes, this time it's going to be way bigger than, and that is our hope also, that every year it should get bigger and better. So yes, there are many countries, many states and many ministries participating in. But then yes, this time we have our focused area also. Technology is evolving every day actually.
Right.
So yes, there are many new technologies which have come, irradiation being one of it, which has been mentioned this time in the budget also by the finance minister. So yes, irradiation units will be one of the priorities in this time World Food India. Also, plant-based protein is something which we and my ministry is focusing majorly on. Also, it has been our motto that minimum wastage and maximum value addition, that is something that we always make extra efforts on. And also sustainable packaging is something that me and my ministry is working very seriously on. And we are making sure that the packaging is done in a way which doesn't harm the environment at all. So yes, these are our concerned areas which we'll be focusing this time in World Food India.
Right. Chirag, also this ministry plays a very crucial role in terms of doubling the farmers' income, because this is directly linked to the agriculture sector. What schemes or perhaps what measures are being taken by your ministry to ensure that more and more people come into this sector, there are more startups into this sector, and what opportunities is the ministry giving to startups or for investments?
So I think this is one ministry which can directly relate to the farmers, and when we talk about doubling the farmers' income, and so yes, this is one ministry, and through the schemes, there are various schemes, primarily 3 schemes, and there are many sub-components under those schemes, through which we provide benefits to the promoters, to the investors, to the beneficiaries of the scheme. So primarily, the 3 schemes are Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, which caters to the medium-sized entrepreneurs. Also we have for the micro enterprises, we have PM FME scheme, which helps even the women's, working in the SHG group, micro enterprises, somebody living in a village, and they want to be an entrepreneur.
Right.
So this is that scheme, which help them. And also then we have PLI schemes, which help bigger brands, to
Right.
penetrate international market and to make an effort, impact there. So yes, there are these various schemes, which directly impact the stakeholders and in a way contributing to the farmer's income, contributing to the revenue of a state, and also providing job opportunities to our youngsters.
Right, but Chirag, before I let you go, this is very close to my heart. I'll ask you, food wastage has been a very, very important aspect which have been talked about for many years. There are shortages of, godowns at many places, storehouses. But, over the last couple of years, the food wastage has come down.
Has reduced. Yes.
So what steps are being taken in order to ensure that food wastage do not happen in India over the next couple of years?
So this is our utmost priority. India being an agro-pro country, where the majority of the revenue comes from the field of agriculture only. So to make sure that the wastage is minimized, we are making sure to use every such technology which is available nationwide or internationally also. And I think irradiation is one of that, which provides longevity to the perishable items, whether they are vegetables or they are fruits, So this is one technology. Definitely, we are using all the traditional measures, whether they are cold storages, they are cold chain. So we are using all those technologies. Also, we are looking forward to developing many new technologies. New innovations are coming up. And, we have some brilliant young brains, who come up with wonderful, startup ideas and stuff. So my ministry is also working, and also my institute, NIFTM, is also working on that to encourage young and fresh ideas to make sure that eventually, we go to a level where there's zero wastage. That is something which I'm also targeting, and my ministry is also working towards.
Well, wishing you all the best in that aspect, and also for the World Food India. This was Chirag Paswan speaking to Doordarshan Network. Thank you so much, and do visit for the World Food India between the 19th to 22nd of September. Thank you.